fireworks for 2020. Diamond pulsar rockets, 3-inch. And these have 352 grams of powder for 2, so they are going to be absolute magical. 1 packet of Mega Hawks by Bad Boy. These have 375 grams. That is more than the Bright Star Warhawks, which only have, let me find it now, 300 grams of powder. I've got 5 packets of them because the Mega Hawks are harder to get here. And these are new Menshung Air Hawk rockets. These also have 300 grams of powder in them. And then Black Saturn by Menshung as well. And they have slightly less, with only 250 grams of powder in them. Then we have 2 packets of the Warhawk 2's double burst rockets. Very good rocket. These have 280 grams of powder for the packet. So out of all the rockets, the Mega Hawks seem to be the best value. They've got the most powder. So I have video of that up already if you want to check that out. Very big bang out of them, very big strobes. Then we have 2 packets of these, the Hot A shots. These are by Diamond. These have, as we see now, 316 grams for the 3 tubes. That's quite good with powder. Now what's in each one tube, one single one here. So we see there now. 105 grams per 1 tube, and they give off, they're very loud, very big bangs. Next we have the Atom Bomb Twin Burst, Bright Star again. I like these, very noisy. 136 grams powder in them, pretty good. A spare one there from last year. I also have one of these as well. Now this only has like something like 21.4 grams of powder. They're alright, they're not great, but they're alright. Then onto the cakes then, we have Mars Attack, category F2. 218 grams of powder, that's a 19 shot. And this one here is pretty much the same, just different packaging. One Bright Star and one is Menshung. And we have this Bad Boy 16 shot, cheap and cheerful. Category 2, 126 grams of powder. It's alright. Only 2 of these. These are 25 shot, category 2 again, 197 grams of powder. They're not too bad either, cheap and cheerful. And these are pretty small. They're all category 2. Don't know what that one there has only got like 76 grams of powder. This one here is 100 and 100. They're only small, they were cheap. I just said I'd get them. Then more Bright Star, the Mighty Atom. And for the size of these actually are pretty good. 160 grams of powder in them. There's a good little whack out of them for the size of them. I think they're only like, I think I got 3 of them for like £20, so that was okay. Then these are just smaller little things I was throwing in when I was getting a few fireworks this year. They're only small little things. As you can see, there's only a tiny little board in them. So I'll just do for messing around with. Then we have this little lad, Bad Boy 64 shot. Basically just 64 little screamers in one. That's what that is. And we have another one. This one here is a 100 shot. Pretty much just 100 tiny little screamers. Bit of fun, nothing major. 72 grams of powder in that one. And here we have Atlantic Battle. And this has 325 grams of powder in it. Category F2 as well. And this fires like a fan. So it's going to go both sides out of it. And we have 3 Proton Bomb Extremes. These are very good. These are double burst category F3. These are very, very good. Then we have another Phantom 3 Bright Star 25 shot. Category 2 again, 375 grams of powder. Haven't had one in before, so interesting to see what it's like. Then we have Thunderbolt, one of my favorites. Very big bangs out of this. This is category 3 again, so I expect big bangs. And this one is just shy of 400 grams of powder in it. Very good firework. Then we have these 2, Warrior Attack and Dead Man's Hand. These are both mentioned products. This one 540 grams of powder, and it's category F3 as well. And this one is category F2, 460 grams of powder in it. I'm not sure how many shots is that one. Doesn't say how many shots is on it. And all the bottoms of these are all have tape on them, so I don't want to get them wet in case it is raining this year like it did last year. So that's pretty much everything. And we have a small little pack of wheels as well. So there's a look at the rockets again there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. I'll have some more videos of each of these going off, posted after Halloween.